Jai Hind guys. So earlier in the day we reached Markham, which is a natural lakes at top hills. It's about 71 kilometers from Shillong, Meghalaya, and you need to travel via National Highway number 106, which connects Shillong with Tura. After crossing Mairang and Kynshi, to take a narrow uphill road on the right hand side for approximately 5 kilometers to reach Mopondo. After spending few hours there, enjoying the natural beauty and beautiful landscape, we started for Shillong. And that is when we started for Shillong. On the way, we were already late, so we stopped over to have our lunch in a local eatery called Pong's shop. Now, these eateries are run by Khasi ladies, and we call them Pong, the ladies, which means sister. The local cuisines are delicious, and they serve mainly non-veg food, and they are very well prepared. They are very clean. They are having very less oil, and they are not spicy at all. But if you are one of them who prefer a vegetarian food, I would suggest to you that you carry a packed tiffin. After lunch, on our way back to Shillong, we decided to visit Markham Valley, जो Kynshi बोल के एक जगह है, वहाँ के पास है. You need to take a right turn from National Highway after Kynshi, and the road is not that good. We missed the left turn, and we, instead went ahead and realized that we have missed that road to Markham Valley. So we turned back. See the beautiful rolling hills in the far. We stopped over by the roadside to watch, to take a break and enjoy the scenery. We are on the way to Markham Valley. We missed a little bit of fun on the way, and it was also getting little late in the afternoon, or in the evening rather. So we reached, the starting of the viewpoint of Markham Valley, and you can see a beautiful, rolling hills in the far. It looks much more beautiful than what you see in the screen. And ma'am said she's feeling chilled, so she went back to the The road ahead was inaccessible. Actually, the viewpoint lies little ahead, but we could not reach there because the road was under construction, and also we are getting late. It was already about 5:30 to 6 p.m. and you need to go back to Shillong as well. So as we packed up and left for Shillong, we stopped by the roadside to watch a beautiful sunset over the hills. You can see we stopped over here. You can see the beautiful sunset over there. It's really beautiful. It's really beautiful to see that sunset over the hills. We plan to come back again. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and like.